Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to your client's Facebook ad account. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is go to business.facebook.com. So once you're on this page, you're gonna have to scroll down to settings. Okay, as you go down to settings, the next thing you need to do is click on add account. All right, so this is our ad account presently. So if you want to get access to your client's ad account, you want to request for the ad account so you can work on it, from whatever you are, you go to add right here, click on add, and then it says create an ad account, claim existing ad account, request to share an ad account. So this is what we want to do. We want to request to ask to share another account from our clients or from an agency. So click on this, and then you're gonna enter the ad account ID. All right, so it says which ad do you want to request access to? It's the ad account ID in here. So once you paste the ad account ID, you click on next, and then you select the roles and the roles that you need on the ad account. Either is to manage the campaigns, view performance, or manage creative mockups, or to take full control of the ad account. So you select one of these and then you confirm. Once you select, you confirm, and then you click on done. So once you click on done, you have access to your client or your agency ad account. It's straightforward and very easy. Okay, to find the ad account ID, all you need to do is just go to settings. Okay, click on settings and then click on add account under account right here. Just click on add account. Right, once you click on add account, you can see the ad account down here. So under the ad account, you're going to see the ID 773298. So this is your ad account ID. Okay, right. So if you get something from this tutorial, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let me know what you don't understand.